We don't know the art of being born, do we? But we were born. We don't know the art of living, do we? But we are living. We never learn the art of dying, but we are definitely going to die one day. We don't know the art of being born consciously. We don't know the art of living consciously. We don't know the art of dying consciously. But Rabbi Brigham, a Jew from Hasidic Judaism, wanted to learn that art of dying. He spent his whole life for that. He was waiting for that beautiful moment that came at last. He was dying. His wife burst into tears. But Rabbi said, "What are you crying for? My whole life was only that I might learn how to die." Osho's talk on this statement of Rabbi means more. That is the chapter 1. This video is further exploration on it. Many seekers are searching for the meaning of life. Where is life? Where is life? Osho's simple answer is, life is in living. If you want to know about mango, just taste it. Don't simply look at the mango or study about the mango for hours. If you want to know life, live it. The only way to learn driving is to drive. The only way to improve your speech skills is to speak. The only way to learn cooking is to cook. The only way to know life is to live. What is the meaning of living? Whatever you do it consciously. That is living. Are you walking? Walk consciously. Watch your own walking totally without any thoughts about 1001 things. Are you going to eat? Eat consciously, without talking to others, without thinking of others, without watching programs on TV, without playing games on tab, without listening to music, so that you won't miss the art of eating. That includes the art of living. Generally, people think for living we need much money. They buy TV, car, bike, mobile, house, sofa, etc. But they don't live. For living, actually, you don't need money. Walking consciously is living. Do you need money to walk consciously? Watching the beautiful morning sunrise consciously, moment by moment, is living. Do you need money to watch the sunrise? Don't you have time to watch the sunrise? Ask yourself, how many days, how many times have you watched sunrise or sunset? You read and appreciate great poets and their poems on sunrise and sunset. But You have never enjoyed it. You have never spared time to watch it. How do you say you are living? That one word where life is living. It is in living.